All right, welcome back, guys. So let's look at checkboxes. Checkboxes basically allow you to, check a box, basically. So sometimes it could be to select multiple options from a list of options, or it could be to indicate consent. You know how when you fill a form to sign up to a particular product online, you have that checkbox that says accept terms and conditions. Yeah, so you can use this to indicate consent, or you can use it to select multiple items or multiple options from a list. So let's say you are okay. Something else I want to talk about. Another form element that's important is label. All this while we've been talking about a particular form element, which is input. So it also goes with so let's just call this option. It also goes with label. So you want to specify a label. Let's say select select language, and then we'll save. So it said select language, and then now usually you could have different. So let's say you want to register for an online boot camp, and then you want to select which programming languages and technologies you are interested in. So we could have it like this. Yep, so we can have it like this. Select your language. So okay, you know what, let's do it this way. So let's call this JavaScript, and then let's duplicate this into a couple of more places. So we call this Python, and then we call this, let's say excuse me, let's call this Kotlin. Great. So we have these three options. So you can basically select any of them. You can check and uncheck any of them. So yeah, this is how you work with input. You can even add more. Let's call this Rusts. So if you are interested in more than one, you go ahead and select more than one. If you're interested in just a few, you can check and uncheck. So that's what checkboxes are for. And like I mentioned earlier, it can also indicate interest. It can also be used to indicate interest or consent, rather. So you have something like this: accept terms and conditions. Okay, so you see, and if you check this, it means you've accepted the terms and conditions. If you don't check it, it means you didn't accept. Okay, so that's checkbox. Now there's another input type that looks like checkbox, but it's not really checkbox. So that input type is radio buttons, and I think we should talk about radio buttons in the next video. But it basically, you represent it with radio, and then so you're able to just tick it right now. Unlike the checkbox, you are not able to select multiple, right? So let's say you have it this way. You know what, let me change this, and then I change it from checkbox to radio. Cool. And then you're only able to select one at a time, right?